It's that time of year. It's time to go back to school shopping. No? Yay! So we're starting today. We are at the famous Orphis Road. Yay! Yeah. No? It's famous to poor people like me. So yeah, anyways, that's what we're doing. Going to Orphis, see what we can get for back to school. And yeah, so we're eating our breakfast right now to get some energy. You know, you need some energy in order to spend money. You understand? And all these things. Yeah. So that's a guampan, what a guampan, what a guan for right, you know? So yeah, we're going here, and then after this we're going to Woodbine Mall. And then who knows what happens after that, but that's what's happening for now. So yeah, look at more. I'm at my family's place, y'all. I'm at Brown's, you know what I'm saying? Yes, she's my auntie and stuff. So yeah, we've shopped.
What?
My song.
Oh, I thought you seen somebody.
For a waste of bread. Yeah, but we finished shopping. Time to eat. I'm so tired. Well, I am.
A little bit.
Because my laugh to my belly hurt me. I don't want me to laugh, but I laugh. Trust me.
Yeah, what were you laughing
I
at?
don't remember. I think everything we were talking about just became so overwhelming. I had to start laughing. And then it went off to Kashaya.
Oh, for all laughing?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I almost fell.
Yeah, that was funny. And I was laughing because of the water.
Oh, yeah.
Someone
Someone jumps like this.
If only you would put the water on your hand, you would have jumped too.
What do you think, will break you or something?
Yeah, like just randomly.
I don't want to fight. Yeah, we're done shopping for today, I think.
I wonder.
Let me taste it, man.
Oh, yeah.
My people, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great. Don't know why I'm talking with my hands today, but I am. And what? And what? And what? 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 Anyway, me there. Me just done put on my clothes. I'm gonna go do Autumn's hair again. It's about that time. I'll put deodorant on. Yeah, I did. Okay, just had to check, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do Autumn's hair. I gotta stop at the mall because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. It's like 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten all day. Literally, I haven't eaten all day. This gum is like the first thing that's been in my mouth besides my toothbrush. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that because it's Zanaya's birthday party tomorrow. So, you know, she gotta look fly. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to Toya's right now. Like I said, I'm gonna go to Yorkdale because I want to hit up the bank and then get something to eat. And I think that's about it. Oh, today, you guys, even though this vlog is gonna be like old, it's not gonna be uploaded late, it's gonna be uploaded on time, but the time is gonna have passed. If you guys notice, I'm trying to catch up and then I fall behind, and then I try to catch up and then I fall behind, so you know. But yeah, today, which is Friday, I uploaded my first DIY video. Yay! Inserts clapping noise here. Yay. So yeah, if you guys didn't already see it, it's the balloon column do it yourself video. Go ahead, look at that, try doing it yourself. Let me know how that worked out for you. Let me know if my instructor skills are up to par, because I was never really a good teacher. I could always do, but I can't tell you how to do it, you know. So anyway, as I'm doing right now, I'm gonna go comb my hair. Maybe I'll put a face on, I don't know, maybe not, and yeah, then head on out and do what I gotta do. So yeah, that's what we do. Oh, I need a pen. That right, gotta sign this Chizek. I don't want to write on it and then I can't. Okay. Then I can't take it back. You understand? When you have to tell the people. Signature. Oh. Okay, people. I'm gonna go finish getting ready and stuff. Y'all is a distraction right now. How about this? What is that? I'm not changing my clothes now, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Outfit of the day. Anyways, I don't know. I'll try this one and then I'll do another one maybe if it doesn't work out when I'm editing if I don't like it. But anyways, this shirt, this top shirt is from, it's just a regular t-shirt. It is from Blue Notes. And my tank top is from Forever 21. My shirt, my plaid shirt, is from Honest Eds. And my pants are from Blue Notes as well. My bag, I don't know, hand-me-downs from my sister. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get ready and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Bye. We'll look at the room Zanaya says she clean up here. Rotty Judge! Zanaya! So people, she says she clean up our room. Zanaya, where is it clean? Over here? This is what you call clean, Zanaya? I'm very disappointed. Come on, clean up your room. Look how sweet it was when you were a little girl. Oh my God. All things have changed now. You're just so rude and disobedient. Clean up your room, man. Clean up your room. Why do you have all your mom's pictures in here?
Because she wanted.
Yo, delete them. Delete them. Should be my picture right here. I'm in Zanaya's room, guys. She's sad. Zanaya, you're no longer gonna be famous. And whatever. Huh?
Is that yours?
What?
Is that yours?
Yeah, say hi to my subscribers.
Hi.
Do you have anything you want to say to them?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
It's Zanaya's birthday.
It's not Zanaya's birthday. Ooh, Monster High. Did you get this for your birthday?
My mom got it for me.
Hey. Even this too?
Yes.
Wow.
Birthday cake.
Wow, so you get to put a picture in there. Oh, Zanaya, that's so cute. You get to put a picture in there. You know that, right?
Huh? Wee.
Adam,
Yeah?
help your sister clean up her room.
How can I help you? She's too lazy.
Help your sister clean up her room.
She won't. She won't get out. She doesn't know.
No, I'm locking you both in here. Don't come out until your room is clean. You understand? Adam, help your sister, okay? Okay. Zanaya, I'm coming back in here in 15 minutes. You understand? I want to see some sort of progress when I come back in here, okay? Oh. She cleaned up her room. You can't what? Oh my gosh. She well frass out now. She can't do nothing. So hot. Anyways, I'm gonna do Adam's hair now.
Can I do my hair like this?
Like what?
Like this.
Like this? No, we don't have time for that right now. Sit your ass.
Yeah, so we're gonna play
Sit your behind
Family
down.
whatever. I don't know the other name, but
It's Family Feud, you jerk.
we're gonna.
Anyways, Adam, hold
Anyways,
this. Can you be quiet and just get out?
Yeah.
You're so in at everything, man. Hold it like that, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do Autumn's hair.
Yeah.
Just like that. Be quiet!
Yeah.
God! Get another movie. Yeah, she's so in at
Like-
everything. She's so in at everything, man.
Yeah.
Shut mouth.
Come here, baby. Slap you.
Auntie, so you want me to get the steak?
To slap her?
Yes.
No, that's okay, Pumpkin. I'm gonna do your hair, okay? So you look, so you can look even more prettier.
Yeah, to fix her.
So like, you didn't put the stuff in the burner.
Yeah. So that's what we're currently doing right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Zanaya still has not yet cleaned her room yet, and
Yeah.
it's been about 4 hours.
Yeah.
All right. No, we don't argue. Shut up.
There.
Auntie, so you like this?
Yeah. She rude, you see? The little girl, she rude. She don't have no manners. She
Yeah.
don't have no manners. That little one named Zanaya.
And she always pinch me and she always bite me.
Really?
Yes.
You bite her back?
Yes.
Good.
And even she pulled out my pants.
What? When
She
she do that, you poop on her.
when I always poop on her, she tells mommy. And one time I poop on her eye.
You pooped in her eye?
Yes.
That's not nice. You'll give her pink eye.
Yes. I poop in the mouth.
You burned in her mouth.
To you. This is this.
Was she sleeping on him?
Yes. I poop in the mouth.
I believe it, you know. Oh my god. You're the best thing I never knew I needed. We're gonna do Autumn's hair and we'll see you guys later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.
Wait, why are we all doing it though? No, but we're all doing it though. You have the remote. Okay, did I move the chair? Okay, what did I press? Oh, it's recording already? Okay. Then I watch out.
I know you're fast, Lily. Okay.
Wait, what? What do I do?
Start happy. Start here.
Right here. Okay, watch out. Ready up?
Watch out, Zanaya.
Okay. Oh shoot. I'm supposed to be holding this, right?
Yes.
What the hell? Why did I take this down?
Put it down.
It's some demonic shit.
Keep it tight. Go to the way.
Wait, Zanaya.
Yo, man, stop changing the balls.
You're doing good though. Let move. How do you press stop now? How do you press stop?
Just like fun. one. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I'm so hungry right now. We're doing it. See, it's hard. It's not me that picked it. It's hard. Okay, here. You put on your hat. Aww.
In the beginning,
Oh my god. Like, what did you do?
Auntie, I'm taking a picture of you.
would be you.
So I'm not doing it.
Of my songs.
I don't know your password. There's no password.
Whisper inside, we're going all the way.
Stop! Time!
Auntie, going
Yeah? Make a video of Auntie Zoe, see? Move your hand. Hold like this.
Auntie, going I'm
Yeah?
taking a video.
Hold like that. With your two hands. Sorry.
Won't know unless we try.
Are you crying? Yes, I am. I am crying. Because that was so hard. Is this my YouTube channel? Yes. Oh my god.
Money twice.
I'm gonna watch it after, okay?
I'm from the dirty, but that Chico nice.
Hello?
Y'all call it moments, I call it life.
One day when the light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are
My back goes downstairs.
I just wanna feel this moment.
Oh,
I just wanna feel this moment. Whoa. I just wanna feel this moment.
This is worldwide. Christina Aguilera.
what the hell?
Wait, Lolita.
Let me do it. I want to do it.
Wait a minute. Larry.
Point left on the tallest building in Tokyo.
What the hell? Who's going so low?
For this moment.
One day when the light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are open, I just wanna feel this moment.
Funny.
What the hell?
Mommy, this is so funny.
Down companies with all my peeps. Baby, we can travel the world and I can give you and all you can see. Time is money. Only difference is I own
Okay,
it.
guys. Ready? Go, Autumn. Move back. Ready, go.
You gotta jump, shake, shake it out. You gotta jump, shake,
Move back.
shake it out. Get the sillies out. Let's get the sillies out.
Over here, Autumn.
Get the sillies out. Get the sillies out. Let's get the sillies out. And that's what it's about. You gotta jump, shake, 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 shimmy that out. We gotta jump, shake, shimmy that out. Let's get the sillies out.
Watch your head. Move back.
Let's get the sillies out. Get the sillies out. Let's get the sillies out. Get the sillies out. Let's get the sillies out. That's what it's about.
Good job. Good job.
Mommy,
Yo, don't leave me my titty. Watch out, Tanaya.
Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. Oh,
it on. Yeah.
You don't understand. You take me by the heart and you take me by the hand. Oh, Mickey, you're so pretty, can't you understand? It's guys like you, Mickey. Oh, what you do, what you do. You make my heart, Mickey. Hey, Mickey.
No, Mickey.
Something we can use, so don't say no, Mickey. 3, 4.
We're gonna do the monkey. Do the elephant. Do the elephant.
Ooh, watch me.
We're gonna jump to the front and back.
Watch your head. Move back. Move back.
That's alright. Now do the tiger. Do the tiger. Do the monkey. Do the monkey.
Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof. Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof. Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof. Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof.
Hey guys, I am heading home right now. It's after 1 actually. We were doing Just Dance and it was so fun. I forgot how fun that game is. So we lost track of time. So yeah, I'm just here right now, waiting for my train to head home. And yeah, it was a great day. I got to do Autumn's hair. I don't think I was able to show you guys exactly what I did to it, but I did her hair. She looks cute as always. And yeah, just spent time with her and Tanaya and Toya. And yeah, so I'm going home now. My train is not here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sign this video off for now, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Have a good night. Love you. Bye. Hey guys, I'm very sad because bus stopped running. Well, one of my buses. So now I gotta take another bus, which is longer, and I have to walk at this time by myself. This is what happen when you think you're a big man and you still a little pit me, you understand? I should never out them time here. My bedtime passed a long time. So my eyes them tired. Okay people, I'm tired. Oh my god. It's not coming for like another 6 minutes. Yo, my eyelashes though. They're fleekish. These are natural. Sure. Oh, my bus is here. Bye, guys.
What you say? I'm okay.